Are you like me, Jeff Goldblum? Maybe we share an interest in monsters, fireworks, magic, motorcycles, dogs.
Let's do that.
Want to take some photos with him?
Yes.
Do anything. I'm not doing anything.
See what I...
We like to go out into the forest and look for things that may very well not exist.
We build our own drone light shows.
Oh, that's a jellyfish there.
Some magicians like to blur the line.
What? Amazing. My acting life caused me to seek openness and interest in the unseen.
There's always a moment of fear.
Oh, wow!
It's just the unknown, I guess.
Am I going to be 100% safe?
You're going to be like 99.8% safe.
Here goes nothing. I love to learn about everything.
This is terrible. Really what makes us special as people is that we have specific abilities to tune into others and cooperate and collaborate.
Boy, I'm getting a lesson in a lot of things. I'm starting in first grade in a lot of areas.
Hi, Jeff.
Wow. Eat my dust.
We'll see who beats us.
Sometimes life's most important moments demand courage. The journey is it, not the destination. Enjoy the ride. Gets 10 Goldblums out of a possible 10 Goldblums. That's my highest possible rating.